Long years ago, in the human beings or the animals, there have no difference. So many difference between them, because that time the animals also eat the raw meats, and the human beings also eats the raw meats, and animals lived in on the branches of trees or the flat surface of land. The human also do like that, because at that time the intelligence of human that not so much, but when the days passed, the human is increase their intelligence, and the surrounded things, they are involved their works and make their lifestyle is better. Day by day humans are increase their lifestyle and any other things, but some peoples are not die for their inhuman activities. These types of people, we can say them, these peoples are not die from our mind, because they are in their idea becoming the best or good human beings, make them live in our mind. Now I am talking about some person who are never die by their better human beings. First one I am wanted to say the name, the Socrates. Socrates lived in Greece about 2400 years ago. He was a great philosopher and teacher. His main teaching, he gives us five main teaching. The five main teaching, that is, number one, be frank and fearless. Always be frank and fearless. Number two, don't accept anyone blindly or anything blindly. Don't accept anything blindly. Number three, don't believe in superstitions. Number four, believe in nothing but the truth. Number five, to know the truth, apply your mind and think critically. These five are the main teaching given by Socrates. And then the another human beings who is never die from our mind, who is Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln was born in 1809 in United States of America. His father was a farmer and his mother died when he was only 9 years old. He is not like school life. That's why he is reading from his home, and he has become a lawyer in home, reading from their his home. And he is always fight against the inhumanity. That's like the negroes are um, badly behaving with them. Abraham Lincoln always uh, with the negroes who are badly treated. And then another human beings, that is the Karl Marx. Karl Marx was a German communist. He was a great political thinker. Okay, and he was revolutionary. In 1842, Karl Marx became the editor of a newspaper. And another things about Karl Marx, he was the founder of communist. Then the another great person who is never die from Indian hearts, also from the world is very famous, who is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, and who is also known as the father of nation. His Gandhiji is born on 2nd October 1869, and his father name is Karamchand, and his mother name is Putlibai. Gandhiji always said truth and non-violence. He believed always on non-violence. When he returned from South Africa after 21 years, he in 1914 he seen that the poor Indians condition is not good. That time the British treated poor Indians very badly. That time he think he will start a movement, and for this movement Gandhiji is go to prison for several times, but he don't stop, and his his movement is known as Satyagraha movement. And his followers, he always say to his followers, always keep non violence. uh, for this humanity, Gandhiji is never die from our mind. He is always live in our mind. And then another great humanities beings, that is Martin Luther King, was an American. I mean, he was a very great minded man. He was highly educated and did, but he had faced humiliation because he was a Negro. Okay, when he seen the Negroes are in bad condition in America, he decided to fight for the Negroes, for the Negroes. So that's why he went to jail for several times, but he don't stop. He's always making fight for the Negroes. And Martin Luther King's was also a followers of non-violence, and he always said to his followers, keep non-violence. Mm, uh, However, some person is not like um, his idea. That's why on 4th April 1968 he was shot by a person, and King was only 39 when he died. Okay, students, today up to this. Thank you.